Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this Dreo Humidifier. Wife had wanted it for the bedroom, so has a smart guide instruction. Probably not gonna be able to see all that, but I'll try to go slow through this. You guys need more time, just pause. And the user manual. And it lights up. Also, it tells you the humidity level. Okay, it says before using, got to remove this. And then when you add water, there's a fill line right here where you don't want to fill up above it. And if you have any essential oils, you'll put it in this, and that's what these extra ones are for. And then a brush to clean it. So we're going to go ahead and get that filled up and then check it out, turning it on. Right, and you can set a timer. Other stuff, you can see that steam coming out of there. And it tells you the humidity. There's also different colors. The yellow is below 30%. I think it's green is 30% to 60%. And then blue is anything over 60%. Like I said, you can set a timer and do other stuff. I'm not going to do all that. But you guys see how it's working.